here are two really great exercises to help you go inward. One is IKIGAI and the other is I Reflect, I Envision, which is our own goal setting exercise. These two exercises will enable you to determine your ask, what it is that you're asking for and why is it that you're asking for it. So what is IKIGAI? IKIGAI is the convergence of the points of your passion, your mission, your vocation, and your profession. So what do I mean by that? It's a very simple exercise, and what I will do is I will link a really great book that will take you step by step through the process. But just to explain it very quickly over here, write down in one circle what you love that completely ignites your soul when you're doing it. It could be basketball, it could be chess, it could be programming, it could be public speaking, whatever it might be, just write that down. Have another circle that has a little bit of an intersection point there with what you are good at. And very often what you are good at may not necessarily be something that you love. It's okay, without judgment. Just write all of the things, 4 or 5 things that you consider yourself really good at. Go to another circle which has an intersection with the other 2 circles and write what the world needs, which is how can you be of service to the world. For a very quick example, for us, right now, what the world needed was completely different from what we were offering. We were very used to offering classroom trainings. We were very used to going to the point of contact and training participants there. The world in the time of coronavirus and lockdowns needed online training. So we had to change to what the world needs. So that's what I mean by what the world needs. And then the last one, in the last circle, which again has a convergence between all the other 3 circles, write down the 5 or 6 things that you think you can be paid for. And don't put any judgment on it, just write it down. Once you have written down all these 4 circles, you will notice a certain commonality that is beginning to emerge between these 4 circles, and that will be your sweet spot. That will be your Ikigai. So what are your questions? Your questions to yourself are, what is your talent? What is your passion? How can you be of service to the world right now? And what can you be paid for? How can you make this into your profession? That, in a nutshell, is your Ikigai, your purpose for living, your reason for being on this planet.